Hey guys, this is Damien Lavore, the truck driver guy with you tonight. Today. And today I'd like to show you a very beautiful place in California. It's like a vista point. West area out of Interstate 80, I-80, from Reno. When you drive from Reno, Nevada, it's gonna be on your right side. Yeah, it's really nice here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, it's a little bit dangerous as well. Wow. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Wow. That is amazing. You guys really have to stop here. If you're a truck driver, or if you're just a driving regular car, you should stop, and just, look around how beautiful it is. Just be careful, don't fall from that. Because it's really, you see that? It's really dangerous there. Yeah, and I'm standing right over here. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys, let's see. Let me show you more. Nice. Wow. This is really amazing. That is really amazing. Wow. Hey guys, stop by sometime. It's really beautiful down here. A lot of people were drinking beer here. People were peeing. You're not supposed to pee, in the rest areas like that. But sometimes if you have an emergency, I don't know who did that. It looks fresh. I don't know who did that. It wasn't me. So, okay. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm gonna show you guys something. Just a second. That is very beautiful, guys. Wow. I cannot see what exit it is. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot see what exit it is. But yeah, this is a little bit for you guys. If you will drive through California on I-80, you should stop here and just, breathe the fresh air. Alright guys, it was David with you. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and let's stay in touch. Okay guys, drive safe and God bless you guys. Bye bye.